First step is going to be to remove this rear splash shield. Next, remove the big rear tunnel brace. Remove each of the rear corner braces. We'll need to lower the exhaust to make more access above it, so remove the rear hangers. Next, remove all the center heat shield bolts. You may need to take a couple of the splash shield bolts off too. With the heat shield loose, pull the heat shield towards the rear. You won't have to necessarily take it all the way out of the car, you just need to get it far enough that you have access to the carrier. Next, we'll cut the OEM carrier frame off. To start, just cut one of the legs off, then remove the bolts. This is going to allow you to spin the carrier around to make 2 more cuts, allow you to release the bearing. Use a razor blade to cut the rubber all the way around. This is going to allow us to take the frame completely off. Use your razor blade to remove the center rib of rubber, leaving the base layer of rubber completely intact. Now we'll install the new carrier. Put your bushings in the carrier halves, and then put the top half over the bearing with the text facing forwards. Then bring your bottom half up to meet it. Connect the two together with the Allen wrench. As you tighten things up, you'll notice a small gap may form between the bushings. This is normal. Next, we're going to attach the carrier to the car. So you're going to take bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up, go up through the carrier, come down from the top with another isolation damper, and then a small washer on the very top. You'll notice there's flats on these isolation dampers. Those flats should be facing outwards. Same thing on the other side, bolt, fender washer, isolation damper facing up, go up through the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then put your small washer on the very top.